Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make Nigerian puff puff. Okay, all right, let's go through the ingredients. The first thing I'll be using today would be 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, try your best to use all-purpose flour because I just feel like they are way better than using like the self-rising flour or something. All right, the next thing I want to be using is 1 cup of sugar. In this video I didn't really use a cup of sugar, so it was kind of like half cup, but you can kind of customize it based on how you like it. Next thing I'll be adding is 7-gram active dry yeast. I just like pour it in, and then after that I kind of mix it up, have fun, play with it, and enjoy it. Okay, enjoy it, mix it, play with it, and then maybe sing a little, have fun. Okay, all right, the next thing we'll be adding is a pinch of salt. I don't know, I kind of like adding salt, but this is kind of optional, but I feel like it just gives it that puff flavor. The next thing I'll be adding is warm water. Okay, add warm water, that way the yeast can like start to work immediately because they do better in warm environments. All right, so you can kind of start with like a very thick dough and just kind of work your way through it, and take your time. This is a little stressful, but don't give up. Yeah, don't give up. Okay, and then you can now try to like add more water to get like a little watery puff looking yummy goodness. Yep, so just mix it up, keep going, and have fun with it. Remember to always have fun while cooking. Don't take life too serious when it's anyway, I'm just messing around. All right, so yeah, that's what your puff dough should look like right now. You should have this nice watery, but not too watery. The next thing I want to do is to cover it up. Yeah, I feel like covering it up really helps. It kind of helps with the rising because I don't know, you just have to cover it up. You have to makes it warm and easy to like rise, and I think so. I've never tried it without covering it, but I don't know. If you have tried it, you can leave a comment down below to let me know how it came out. But I personally always wrap it up, and if you notice in this video, I kind of wrapped it first and then I added another one. The next thing I'll be doing now is to store it in a warm place for about 30 minutes. It could be more than that if you're like busy, but at least 30 minutes until you get something that looks just like that. Okay, it should have doubled in size by now after like 30 minutes. All right, that looks so good. Woo, we're almost there. All right, okay, now it's frying time. This is usually my favorite part because I get to like play with the dough, kind of have fun with it. Like I said, you should be having fun in the kitchen. Cooking is fun, so yes, have fun. All right, so next thing I want to do is to open up my dough and kind of like mix it. You don't want to like beat it too hard, but you want to make sure you're like mixing it properly to kind of like get down the dough and make it easy to work with. It's like using my hands, I just mix everything up and keep going, and that's it. And make sure your oil is like hot before you try to put in the dough, because you don't want your dough coming out flat, or your puff coming out flat. You want to make sure it's like all bouncy and nice and beautiful. All right, so let's fry. In this part I'm going to be doing like a slow motion because this is very important in order to get a nice ball. So what you want to do is to kind of like pick up the dough and kind of like fold it around your hands and drop it in the hot oil, just like that, slowly and gently. Please do not rush it, especially if you are trying to do this for the first time. It might be a little difficult to handle, but trust me, with God all things are possible. You can do it. Yes, so just kind of fill up the frying pan with your puff puff dough. And don't give up. Don't give up. I'm just messing around. Yeah, just keep doing this and have fun with it. Play with it. Yeah, it's fun. It looks fun, right? I think it's definitely fun. Yes, now the bowl is almost the frying pan is almost full, so I just try to fill them up as much as I can in order to make it, to make the frying process easier, so I don't end up spending the whole day in the kitchen. Alright, just leave it to fry, and please do not leave this unattended, so make sure you're like literally there throughout the frying process. So the next thing I'll be doing is to try to like stir it up and make sure one the puff puff is like being fried evenly. Like you want to make sure the bottom is being fried, the top is being fried, no part is like getting burnt or whatever. Also in this video I didn't really use enough oil. If you'd love to achieve a bouncy, roundish looking puff puff, please add more oil, because the oil kind of makes it more oil makes it very round and it looks like a ball. But in this video I think I was kind of lazy to add more oil to my frying pan, but I wasn't really about the shape. In this video I was more about the puff puff. But like I said, if you want your puff puff to come out looking like ball, like the shape of ball, then at this point you want to make sure you add, not at this point, before you fry, after adding one, if it doesn't bounce back up like it should, then you should add more vegetable oil before adding the other dough. Alright, so that's it. That looks so nice. I don't think it looks nice. It tastes nice. Yes, maybe it looks nice, I don't know, but it definitely tastes way better than it looks. This is so nice. I love puff puff. It's one of my favorite snacks. It's very easy to make, just like 3-4 ingredients and you're done. The total cook time was definitely less than an hour, aside because you had to rise and all that, but it's fun. It's very good, and yeah, just have fun with it and enjoy it. Please try it out and let me know how it came out. Please be safe during this period, and don't forget to wash your hands before and after cooking. Alright, that's puff puff. Nice and beautiful. Let me know what you all think. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.